Hi family, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make an extreme moisturizing aloe vera avocado deep conditioning treatment mask that will help leave your hair moisturized for days and also help you grow a healthy hair. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. My name is xoxo. In my channel, I share a bit of feminine hygiene, beauty, and also a lot of tips and tricks on how to grow a healthy head of hair. So if you'd like to join the family, please press the red subscription button and also do not forget to press the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also comment. So without further preambles, let's get started. Here we are using aloe vera. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzyme, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, and reduces dandruff and also conditions the hair. Avocado promotes hair growth. Avocado is high in vitamin B and vitamin E, which work at the cellular level to protect and strengthen the hair. Vitamin E helps repair damage in the scalp, which may slow or prevent hair growing. Vitamin B is essential for hair growth. It locks moisture into hair cells. It also nourishes the hair cells and strengthens the hair roots, shafts, and strands. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. Banana also contains silica, a mineral element that helps your body to synthesize collagen and may make your hair grow stronger and thicker. They have antimicrobial properties that heal flaky scalp. Coconut milk. Coconut milk contains lauric acid, and coconut milk helps penetrate deep into the hair strands. Coconut milk also have antimicrobial properties that also help strengthen the hair and also treat dandruff issues. Olive oil is a very good source of antioxidants. It's best to promote scalp health, and it also nourishes and conditions the hair. It soothes the scalp. It reduces DHT production. It also reduces breakage and prevents damage. Olive oil also helps to improve blood flow to the hair follicles, and the follicles are in turn stimulated to grow thicker strands of hair, thereby doubling hair growth. So now I will be preparing my ingredients. I've already washed my aloe vera, cleaned it thoroughly. Now I'll be cutting my aloe vera into smaller pieces in order to extract the gel, like so. So cutting it into smaller pieces. So I'll be removing that part that I really don't need. This aloe vera avocado deep conditioning treatment is a must try. Ever since I've been using this deep conditioning treatment mask, my strands has been healthier. My scalp has been healthy as well. It will definitely leave your hair very soft and shiny and moisturized at the same time. As you all know, one key to length retention is what? Is moisture. So if you really want to infuse moisture in your hair, try this aloe vera avocado treatment deep conditioning mask. So you can see that slip. Just take a look at that slip. So aloe vera also helps with scalp issues, and it's a very good deep conditioning treatment as well. So I'm going to be removing the gel. You can as well use a spoon instead of using a knife so it doesn't cut you. So I'll be extracting all the gels now. So that's the quantity I was able to extract. Then I'll be putting the extracted gel into my blender. first, I'm gonna be adding my banana into the blender. I'll be adding them. Make sure your banana is ripe before use. So next goes in my avocado. I like my avocado very ripe and very soft. Avocado oil is also one of the best oils I truly love. Avocado is good. Not only even for the hair, you can also use aloe vera too for your smoothies. You can add aloe vera as a you can use it as a spread for your butter. Aloe vera is very good for our health and also for the hair. So you add that. So now I'll be adding my aloe vera gel into the blender like so. So I'll put it in the blender right now. And then I would also be adding my extra virgin olive oil. I added about 1 tablespoonful. Then my coconut oil, I added about 2 tablespoonful of my coconut milk rather to this recipe. So I've done blending it, and that's how it's looking so yummy. Just like I should just drink it. So I went ahead to sieve it again because the first time I actually did this, I did not sieve it. I got so much particles of avocado on my strands, and it was so difficult to wash it off. So that's why I'm trying to sieve it off before use. Please do well to sieve it off. Do not skip this part, please. Sieve it off before you use it. So that's that's our mask now, looking so yummy and pleasant to the eyes. So the next thing is application. What I did was I decided I had to heat it. I did a double boiling to heat it first before applying it on my hair. Since I have a low porosity hair, so I decided to heat it first. So if you want to get the best benefit of this thing, 100% heat it first before you use it. Already divided my hair into sections, and I just finished washing my hair with my DIY black soap herbal shampoo. I'm going to link it in the cards above, so you click to watch the how to make the shampoo. So I am applying it on clean scalp and clean hair strands. So I apply the mask thoroughly on my scalp and strands like so. I'm applying it now. Please do work in sections and apply on your tip. The ends of your hair are the oldest parts of your hair. Kindly give it more TLC, please. This aloe vera avocado deep conditioning treatment mask is a must try. This mask will leave your hair moisturized, soft, and shiny, and it's also going to strengthen your hair strands at the same time. So it's a must try. I would advise you do this mask on a regular basis if in order to see results. So I'm applying it on all the strands of my hair like so. As you can see, this mask is really great. It's going to help you retain so much length and also leads to hair growth. So after application on a particular section, I twist it down and move to another section. That's how I do it until I go round my head of hair. So right now I'm done applying it all over my strands. So now go ahead to wear my heat cap, and after covering my heat cap, then I'll use my steam cap as well. Then I'll wash it off after 30 to 45 minutes, and I'll come here and show you guys all the results. After application, so I'll come back and show you all the results, so stay tuned.